In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Semrush account. Semrush is a powerful platform for SEO, content, and competitive research, and getting started only takes a couple of minutes. First, open your browser and go to semrush.com. When the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click the sign up button. This is your gateway to creating a brand new account. You'll see two ways to register. You can sign up with your Google account for a quick password-free setup, or you can enter an email address and create a password. If you choose email and password, pick an address you check often and use a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. Once you submit your details, Semrush will move you straight into a short onboarding flow designed to tailor your workspace. The onboarding questions help Semrush personalize recommendations and pin the most relevant tools to your dashboard. Take a moment to answer honestly. These choices aren't permanent, and you can adjust them later in your settings if your needs change. You'll first be asked what best describes your role. Options include executive or manager, team member or specialist, consultant or freelancer, business owner or entrepreneur, student or intern, or other. Choose the one that matches how you'll use Semrush day to day, then click Continue. This helps the platform present the right starting templates, checklists, and terminology. Next, you'll be asked about your experience with digital marketing. You can indicate that you need guidance for marketing tasks, that you can work independently on most tasks, that you're a marketing expert, or that you're not sure yet. Pick the level that feels most accurate. Semrush uses this to calibrate the complexity of tips and in-app suggestions so you get neither too little nor too much guidance. The final onboarding question asks about your main marketing focuses. You can select one or more areas such as paid ads management, local marketing, content creation, PR, AI visibility, SEO optimization, and competitor and market analysis, or choose not sure if you're still exploring. Select everything that reflects your current priorities, then click Continue. After a brief load, you'll land in your new account. That's it, you're in. From here, your dashboard will reflect the answers you provided, making it easier to discover the tools you're most likely to use. Remember, none of these choices lock you in. You can revisit your profile and preferences anytime as your role or goals evolve. Enjoy exploring Semrush, and you're ready to start optimizing your marketing today.